Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. Welcome to Javid Academy. Learn computer skills with Javid. HTML tutorial. Lesson 1. This course is beginner friendly. Anyone can join this course and don't need any previous experience. This is an introductory video to our HTML course. In this first lesson, we will learn about HTML. HTML is the foundation of every website on the internet. If you want to become a web developer, learning HTML is the first step in your journey. It provides the basic structure of web pages and is an essential skill for anyone interested in web development. So let's get started and begin learning HTML. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is not a programming language, but it is a markup language. HTML used to create the structure of web pages. Every website you see on the internet uses HTML. It's not possible to make web pages without HTML. Where is HTML used? HTML is used to create websites, build web application, structure content like text, images, videos, and links. Example, Google, YouTube, Facebook, all of them use HTML. Tools you need. What kind of tools we are going to use for HTML? You only need two things, a text editor and a web browser. A text editor like Notepad, VS Code, Sublime Text, or others. A web browser like Google Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or others. For beginners, Notepad is enough, but I am going to use VS Code and Google Chrome. This is very important for HTML, understanding HTML tags and elements. In HTML, you see angle brackets. Angle brackets are used to contain tags. A tag tells the browser what type of content it is displaying. A tag is a keyword inside angle brackets. This is an opening tag for a heading. And slash angle bracket, this is a closing tag. Closing tag tell the browser where an element starts and ends. Most HTML tag have an opening tag and a closing tag. Also, we can call them markup element. The body tag contains all the content that is visible on a web page. Anything you write inside the body tag will display in the browser. And lastly, the BR tag creates a line break which moves the content the next line. And lastly, the BR tag creates a line break which moves the content to the next line. The BR tag is also called an empty elements. Basic HTML structure. Every HTML document has a basic structure. Every web page follows this basic structure. We will learn how to write HTML code in our next lessons. For now, just take a look at how an HTML document is structured and what the basic code looks like. Explanation of the code. Doc type HTML tell the browser this is an HTML5 document. HTML root of the page, all HTML content is placed inside this tag. Head contain information about the web page. This is not display on the page itself. Example, title, style, metadata. Title, page title shown in browser tab. Body contain all visible content display on the web page. H1 create a main heading. H1 is the largest heading tag. P creates a paragraph of text. BR stand for break. It forces the browser to start a new line. Unlike P, it does not create extra space between lines. Here is explanation of the code again for review. That's it for today's video. If this video helped you, please like, comment and subscribe to Javid Academy. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.